Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the EA gold stuff for MT4 and MT5, and it's an expert advisor developed by Vasily Strokov, and this expert advisor goes for just $50, and we are going to review it in this video. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 which you can download for free using the link in the description below. It's completely worth it and it's free. It has a lot of candlesticks, patterns and indicators built in, and it's worth it. You should check it out. And talking about the EA gold stuff for MT5, the developer presents it as an expert advisor designed specifically for trading gold on the 1 hour time frame, and it is based on the gold stuff MT5 indicator, so it follows a trend following strategy, meaning it opens orders in the direction of the trend, and they call it pure trend following, built for gold's unique movements. It requires a hedge account. This for you to note, it requires a hedge account, and on their optimized backtest we can see they show some really impressive numbers. See in their images here, they show some impressive numbers like $1.4 million profit from a 10k starting deposit and profit factor of 3.3, around 70% win rate on both long and short trades, and what looks like a very controlled drawdown. And they position this EA as a reliable automated tool for gold traders who want to catch trends without staring at the charts all day. And they emphasize that it works best on proper low spread accounts and offer personal bonus and settings after purchase. Real-time results are linked, and they are careful to warn about scammers selling fakes. And this is how the indicator works. Basically, you can see the gold stuff indicator, and the expert advisor follows this indicator. When the indicator is blue in color, it means that it's actually for buys, and when it's red, it's actually for sell. So that's just the way this expert advisor follows the indicator, just a trend following system. And that's about it from the developer. And let's talk about the features and settings we have here. It uses the gold stuff indicator. Like I said, you can enable buy and sell separately or run both directions with hedging. There is money management with auto lot based on free margin, and we have a 1.5 lot multiplier for recovery orders, fixed or dynamic distance between orders. Maximum orders limits, we have take profit and stop loss options, including virtual TP, trailing stop with start and step, and a special drawdown reduction algorithm that closes the entire basket when the last profitable order covers the losing ones. And other settings include spread filter, trading hours filter, max slot, magic number, and dynamic distance parameters that adjust as more orders open. They really highlight the drawdown reduction algorithm as the key safety feature that makes the EA more stable. And that's what they have here on their settings. I had the opportunity to run my own backtest on this expert advisor, and this backtest was on XAU USD on the 1 hour time frame over a full recent year with a solid tick data. And we started with a 10k account deposit, just like in their own backtest, the developers published backtest, and the equity curve is just slowly trended downward the whole time. You can see it in the graph here. We had a steady grind lower and very little upside. Finished with net loss of around $832, profit factor of 0.83, and max drawdown of about 9.4%, 9.45% actually, and over 5,600 trades with roughly 60% winners. The thing is, this is classic behavior for a trend following system with averaging. It enters on pullbacks in the trend direction, But when gold goes into chop mode, which is like ranging, like as you can see here, this was a ranging market. When gold goes into this ranging market, it keeps firing orders with lot multiplier and dynamic grid, and the drawdown reduction helps eventually close baskets. But in ranging markets, like you can see here, it just bleeds you slowly and slowly and keeps that. I guess that's what happened, why the graph just kept on grinding all the way down, as you can see. And honestly, those monster developer backtest numbers came from catching long strong trends that don't happen every single period, as we all know it in the markets. And in ranging markets, it just bleeds you slowly. The settings that actually matter are the lot multiplier, the dynamic distance, start and multiplier. We have the max orders, we have the drawdown reduction parameters, and this all of these just control how aggressive the expert advisor gets. The spread filter is also critical, and this thing is very sensitive to spread and really needs a true raw or ECN account to enable you enjoy and use the expert advisor as it's intended to. And my verdict for this expert advisor, the EA gold stuff, is that it is a decent trend following gold robot with a recovery safety net, but it's no magic bullet, as you've seen on my backtest. It performs well in strong trading gold markets, but gets chopped up in sideways conditions. It's best suited for traders who have bigger accounts, who already understand gold's personalities and can handle slow drawdowns actually. And it's also meant for traders who use proper low spread brokers, and it's not ideal for small accounts or complete beginners or prop firm traders who need tight risk control and quick results. Profits and drawdowns like this can differ a lot depending on market conditions and the exact lot size or risk settings you choose. As you've seen, I had my own backtest and just showed you my own results, and you can do the comparisons yourself. And what do you think about this EA gold stuff? Have you tried it, or have you tried any other gold EAs? Drop your experiences in the comments and let me know which robot you want reviewed next. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss future tests like this. We have a whole lot to show you, and they'll be coming up in a couple of days. Don't forget to grab that free robot from the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.